What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video we're going to do the unboxing and review of this wooden handle cup. As you can see, design on the box right here, so I'm just unbox it to you guys see basically how it look inside. So we're just going to unbox it right now. So basically come in this package right here, and as you can see right here, this is the little glass, which is looking pretty neat, as you can see right here. So on the glass, guys, you can see we have some measurement on here as well. So it is 15 milliliter up to 75 milliliter. As you can see right here, we have the wooden angle right here, which is looking pretty neat. So this is basically a cute design of measuring cup. So this basically you can put in your coffee, all those things inside right here. So any form of liquid that you want to measure in this cup, it is basically great, and I love the design and how it basically looks.